Hey guys, welcome back to another Man Couch video. Today I'm going to help you guys set up your cloud-based group projects by using PowerPoint Online and sharing those to your other group members. It's not complicated, but there are some differences between online PowerPoint and the regular PowerPoint that you've been using. So these first several steps, only your team leader is going to do this. Everybody else is going to wait for the email that you'll get from your team leader. So we're going to start with OneView, and we're always looking for this white waffle pattern right here. If it doesn't show up, all you need to do is simply reload this page and wait for it to pop up. We're going to select it, go down here until we find PowerPoint, and open it up. Now what I want you to pay attention to before we go any further are all these presentations over here that don't really have a name. You've got 10 and 9, presentation 8. What these are projects that other students have shared to me, but they never gave them a name. So I don't know who they came from or what they're about. All right? So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So after your team leader opens up the PowerPoint, up at the top, here's your very boring name, Presentation 11. And if you hovered over it, it'll say Rename File. So we're going to click on it. And call it Island Vacation. And then automatically it's going to save. Now is where you're going to get everybody else linked to this PowerPoint. Once you've given it a name, go over here to the right hand side and click Share. Once the Share window loads, it says enter a name or an email address. You're going to have much better luck if you use the student ID number of the students in your groups. So lowercase s, their student ID number, and at some point their names should pop up and you can add them. You'll come down here and hit send, and then all they're going to do is go to their school email through OneView, and they'll have an email from you. They'll simply click on open, and everybody in the group will be linked on the same PowerPoint. One last quick thing. I want to point out the major difference that you guys are going to notice with online PowerPoint is adding your pictures. Now in the past, the way I've suggested, and there's lots of different ways to do this, but the way I've always suggested is you find your picture and you click it until you get the biggest possible picture. And then just drag it to your desktop. Now in the past, I've told you to drag this and drop it into here, but it's not going to work with online PowerPoint. So you've got to do something different. So what you're going to do is go to Insert. We want to insert a picture. Now right here, it's beginning to look on your computer for your pictures. If you drag it to the desktop, all you need to do is make sure that you select desktop, and here's that same picture. And we're going to go down here and select open, and there's your picture. Now at this point you could stretch the picture out, or you've got some of these design ideas over here with how you could use it. Find one you like and move on. Okay. New slides are added here, and you can add a slide at a time. There are a lot less options with online PowerPoint, but for the most part the program is very much the same. I highly suggest you insert all of your slides from the very beginning, and then you decide, okay, you take slide 1 through 4. The next person, you take 5, 6, 7, and 8. and so on, so that you guys aren't working on the same slides. Also, you have a planning sheet that should be useful to you. It's also worth a large part of your grade. So make sure you guys are communicating, working well with each other, and coming up with a plan that, for the most part, everybody's happy with. All right, guys, good luck, and I'll catch you next time.